Everyone's good. Everyone's good. Stand by. Everyone's good. Everyone's good. Everyone's good. We should tell you, I have a number of security personnel here with me. We are quite safe. Quite safe. Gwen Carr, you still with me?
I'm still here.
Okay. I want to continue to try to have this conversation because we should be talking right now. And this is not what we should be doing. Just to give you a sense of what happened here, it appears as if some fireworks went off. Is that what you? It sounded like fireworks, and now protesters appear to be hurling water bottles. We're gonna move back a little farther. Hey, Gwen.
Yes.
Okay. So.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.